Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to discuss about 5 major mistakes that you make while preparing for your NEET PG journey, but that can cost you a big time. And I am here to stop you from making those mistakes. So watch till the end.
क्या आप भी अपने नेक्स्ट नीट पीजी अटेम्प्ट को अपना बेस्ट पीजी अटेम्प्ट बनाना चाहते हैं so that you can get your dream branch and dream rank? Well, then all you have to do is fill the form in the description and we will help you strategize like a pro. तो रुके क्यों? It barely takes 15 seconds. Go fill the form.
The number one mistake is that we all do. That is focusing on theory and not practicing MCQ questions based on it, which gives us lack of practice and a lot of confusion when it comes to revision because हम सारे topics भूलने लगते हैं. Now the sad part is I've seen people doing this mistake in their second and third attempt as well. And trust me guys, if you're going to follow your mistake, you're going to get the same result every time. So you need to focus on MCQ because every other exam that you give, be it NEET PG or FMCG, you are going to get MCQ questions because there's no subjective exam. So if you focus on the whole pattern that the exam revolves around, that's when you'll get the score, that's when you'll get the results that you wish for. Okay, the next mistake is also that all of us do. That is not revising the previous topics and jumping onto new topics just so that we can complete the syllabus. This is not going to take you anywhere because if you keep on forgetting what you have learned in the past and try to focus on what you can complete in the future, you are going to have nothing in your mind in the end of the day and your mind will be blank when you sit for the exam and you'll be like, what did I do with myself? One basic solution for this problem is doing spaced revision because you need to spare some time in your day where you need to revise the topics that you have completed before. What I mean by this is if you have done some topic today, try to revise it tomorrow and then after a week and then after a long time so that when you do it in a space or in a gap of days, you will retain some of the other part in your head and whatever you are forgetting, you can go and revise it again. So if you don't revise the topics you have studied before, there's no point of studying new topics because in the end, you're going to forget everything. Another mistake, that is the third mistake in this video, is giving GTs but not analyzing what you did wrong and what you did right. Again, if you don't analyze your exam, you're not going to know कि हाँ मुझे ये topic आता है और मुझे ये topic नहीं आता है. हो सकता है you are trying to revise the same topic which you are already good at and you are trying to skip the topic which you don't understand. And this is again not going to land you anywhere because if you sit and analyze what you did wrong and try to focus on that particular topic, you will become better in each GT you give. The next mistake that we all make is not consolidating the study material that we have. And this already messes up in the end of the exam where we are trying to revise all the topics together and we go on like, oh my god, we have a lot of books, we have a lot of resources, कहाँ से पढूं, कहाँ से revise करूं. In that time, if you have your revision notes, if you have your small flashcards and if you know where you have to rely on for the study material, that is when you are sorted. Otherwise, you'll keep confusing yourself कि मुझे ये book भी खत्म करना है, ये topic भी खत्म करना है, ये भी बचा है, वो भी बचा है. Again, it's not going to land you anywhere because having 10 different resources and not completing all of them is waste. Have 2 good resources and complete them on time and try to revise those properly. That will give you a very, very, very good result rather than focusing on 10, 20 different books and resource materials and not completing any. And the last mistake that all of us do is ignoring PYQs and previous year questions of any other exam. Basically, if you're preparing for NEET PG, you tend to ignore FMGE exam ke previous year questions or INCET ke previous year questions. That is again a big mistake and blunder because last year ke exam patterns mein we have seen that topics overlap and these people give questions that are same in all these different exams. Now, what I mean by this is definitely if you're giving NEET PG exam, you need to focus on the PYQs of NEET PG first. But if you're done with that and if you have time, you need to go and review the previous year question papers of these different exams as well. That is going to help you in develop your critical thinking and analyze what type of questions you can get in the exam. And trust me, if you go through the different previous year question papers, you get a hint of what kind of questions are coming from last 10 years. And trust me, 75% of the questions are based on the same pattern that is the last year. So previous year question papers ko solve karna is one of the most important things that you need to focus on, which will definitely increase your score from here to here. And these were few mistakes that you all make while preparing for NEET PG, and that is what I did. But I had someone to guide me up throughout my journey and let me on that particular rank which I wanted. So if you need the same help, comment down start and Iconic is here to help you out and we'll reach out to you personally. Thank you for watching.